In 2012, 97% of Americans didn't know how to use QR codes. Just 9 years later, nearly 76 million Americans had scanned QR codes with their smartphone. So the question is, how can we use QR codes to help grow sales on your Shopify store? I'm going to show you how. Let's get into it. So the first way you can implement QR codes is simply just utilizing a 12 by 12 by 16 billboard that's on every single American's front porch these days, which is a cardboard box. So previously, we had no ability to have a call to action on some physical product that could lead a consumer to the digital world. But that changed with QR codes. So now I recommend to all my clients that any physical box that gets shipped out to customers should always include some call to action, whether it's a promotion or social media or, looking for reviews. You can always allow consumers now to not only see the call to action, but actually take the action into the digital world thanks to QR codes. Want to learn more strategies on how to grow your Shopify? I've compiled a list of over 100 plus strategies that have helped dozens of brands generate millions of dollars in revenue. You can get access to all of these 100 strategies, including descriptions, screenshots, recommended applications, and much, much more by clicking the link in the top line of the description. So one of the most obvious places in which you can implement this is anytime you have a gateway product. So this can be, for instance, a sample pack or a variety pack. And this can be a really powerful way for you to take somebody that's just trying your product to becoming a full-on customer. In my experience, I've worked with a lot of health and nutrition companies, and the whole idea here was, for instance, if you had a box of protein bars, by the time the customer got to the bottom of the box, there would be a message on the bottom, including a call to action and a QR code. And the real benefit here is you can also roll in promotions into the QR code automatically. So when they scan this QR code, they're going to the website, they're going to a specific landing page in which you want them to go, but you're also automatically applying a coupon code. This can be really powerful. It can increase conversion rates. And if you want to learn more about how to utilize coupon codes in links, I'll link a video that I previously created below. But utilizing QR codes in these gateway products can really be a beneficial way for you to turn new customers trying your product into full-on customers. So next is something I'm starting to see come out a little more often in the marketplace, but to be honest, it should be leveraged a lot more than it is being leveraged currently, which is connecting the retail marketplace with the digital marketplace. And you can do this by utilizing QR codes on your packaging. So no matter the product you're selling, if it's on shelves in retail, you really struggle to try to get the consumer to take action after they made the purchase there. And you really lose a lot of that consumer data that you would have if they had made that purchase online. So the idea here is really to utilize QR codes in as many places as possible on products that are dominating the retail space, so that hopefully you can transition some of those retail-only customers into your digital marketplace and try to gather some more of that data and grow your Shopify sales from your retail customers. So next, I just wanted to go over a couple of applications that I've used on Shopify before. There are a bunch of options. I'm just gonna cover two that I think are really great. The first is Shop Codes. It's built into Shopify, and it'll help you create not only the QR codes, but also coupon codes that will direct users directly to your products. and you can automatically apply these coupon codes, which is really great. Second is Beacon Stack. This is not a Shopify app, but Beacon Stack is by far my favorite QR code generator and manager. It's easy to use and there's a ton of options. Check it out. Yeah, I'm sure you won't be disappointed with what they have to offer. So these are just a few ways that I recommend you utilize QR codes to help grow your sales on Shopify, but obviously there's countless options in which you can utilize QR codes, whether it's event marketing, applying it, like I said, to your, physical retail products, whether it's inserts that you put into packages. Really, the sky's the limit here with QR codes, but just keep in mind that more Americans know how to use QR codes. So really take this opportunity to create as many as you can, test them out, see what works, and do what you need to do to help grow your Shopify with QR codes.